Good evening, everyone. We are live at 9:06 p.m. and we are battling for Troy's Yak Face figure. There he is. Always a hit with the ladies. We got 100 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. There they are, 1 through 100. All in a nice row. Gonna roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got an 8. So we are good to play to find this Yak Face a new home. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. Andrew Dean in the top spot for our first round, round 1. Chad, round 2. Jason, round 3. Jurgen, round 4. Matt Johnson, round 5. And round 6. Josh in the top spot for our next to last round, round 7, which brings us the only one that really matters, the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And the winner of Troy's Yak Face is Andrew. In at number 88, it looked like. I'll hit it on the official results, which are here. UPJDAM. Andrew in at number 88's the champ of Troy's Yak Face battle, which means I'm done at 9:07. 9:07. Again, here's the official results and our winner. Andrew in at number 88 is the winner of the Yak Face. Congratulations. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks.